Hey guys, as we get started with the channel, we're going to do a couple of example videos to give you a better idea of what I've got in mind and kind of solidify the process. So this video is going to be on finding duplicates using SQL. So the first thing you want to do when you're trying to find a duplicate is define what the duplicate is. We need to define which columns in the table that we are using to consider what a duplicate is. And then in order to find the duplicate, we need to aggregate and then filter. And the SQL constructs being used for these are the group by and the having clauses. So we're going to cut to SQL. We've got a simple MySQL database. We're examining the products table. So products table just looks as follows. We got a code, a name, product line, scale, the product vendor, which is what we're using to define our duplicate, and description, and a couple of other fields. So again, we're going to use the group by and the having clauses. So we're grouping by product vendor. So we're collecting all the product vendors and bucketing them. And then we're counting each of them. And then we're going to filter, which is what the having is doing. We're saying, yeah, well, if we've got a count greater than 1, then we want to see it. So here, this is telling us that the product vendor Minley Diecast has a count of 8. And then we can drill down and look at all the rows in the products table that had a product vendor of Minley Diecast. And there you go. So this is just a real quick review of, you can really get the details in the other video I posted about what I'm thinking here with the channel. But again, you can submit your questions to this Apex site that I've created. And here's the URL. I'll have it in the description of the video. And this is what it looks like. So people will submit questions. You just push the create button and then fill in your email, your question text. And later I'll come back and I'll post the URL, and submission data just get filled in automatically. I'll select the questions after they hit the Apex website and submit the answer, create another video. And if you like the solution, I hope you'll like and follow the channel for more. Again, thanks, guys. I'll post another example in a day or so, and hopefully we'll get indexed by the YouTube algorithm and people can start finding the channel. Thanks again.